मुखर्जी नगर ऐसा है कि अधिकतर लोगों को यहाँ जाने नहीं देता, यहाँ से यहाँ की हवा ही ऐसी है।
आईएएस की नगरी हब है ये मुखर्जी नगर।
यहाँ पर शिक्षा ही है सब कुछ मानो।
Hidden in the heart of Delhi is a place where dreams were once forged, ambitions were tested, and an entire ecosystem thrived to fuel one of India's most arduous journeys, cracking the UPSC exams. Welcome to Mukherjee Nagar, India's once civil services capital.
वहाँ हिंदी मीडियम के लिए मुखर्जी नगर ही आते हैं।
There was a time when Mukherjee Nagar was more than just a locality. It was a universe dedicated to India's UPSC aspirants.
और देवियाँ आप भी थोड़ा सामने आ जाइए, सिर्फ लड़के आएंगे तो फिर।
The air hummed with a unique energy, the sound of scribbling pens, passionate debates on the current affairs, and the occasional collective sighs of exam fatigue. I'm Manisha Dikari, and in today's episode of the India Today Culture Project, we will be uncovering the rise and now fall of Mukherjee Nagar, once India's civil services dream factory. And is it now just a shadow of its former self?
केवल सिलेक्शन मैटर करता है, जिसका सिलेक्शन हुआ वही समझो है, भाड़ में जाए।
चाहे वो स्टूडेंट बन के रह गया या शिक्षक बन के रह गया या फिर उसने खुद ने शिक्षण संस्थान को ही खोल लिया।
So the story began decades ago when coaching centers started sprouting here, and over time Mukherjee Nagar evolved into an aspirants hub, drawing students from every corner of the country. The Delhi equivalent to a quota factory basically. From iconic coaching centers like Drishti IAS, Vision IAS to lesser known ones offering specialized crash courses.
90s के लगभग यहाँ पे कोचिंग स्टार्ट हुए थे, फिर ऐसा ऐसा यहाँ से जो IAS के IPS के बनते हैं बच्चे, अब तो इंडिया में ही पूरा मुखर्जी नगर का नाम है।
But Mukherjee Nagar was never just about classes and libraries. The real ecosystem thrived outside those classrooms. Landlords that turned every available inch into rentable accommodations.
मेरे पास यहाँ 350 बच्चे रह रहे हैं, इसमें से मेरे पास 150 गर्ल्स हैं, 200 बॉयज़ हैं। यहाँ पर मेरी मुखर्जी नगर में ही पीजी है।
Single rooms, PGs, and even shared cubicles tailored for aspirants working with tight budgets.
3 तरह के रूम्स रहते हैं, उसमें आपको 2 सीटिंग में आपको 5000 से स्टार्टिंग मिल जाती है। जो नॉर्मल जो गरीब घर से बच्चा वगैरह आता है वो कहते हैं हम पढ़ नहीं पाते हैं, पीजियों का रेंट ज़्यादा है, ये ज़्यादा है, तो हमने पीजियाँ वगैरह की सबके रेट वगैरह कम कर रखे हैं।
And then there is the chai culture, local tea stalls or addas that were more than just spots to grab a cup of tea. They are where the big debates happened. Everything from politics to philosophy to Bollywood gossip.
एक्चुअली उनका तो यहाँ फैमिली है नहीं, अकेले रहते हैं। जब उब जाते हैं पढ़ते पढ़ते तो घूमते घामते आते हैं, चाय पी लेते हैं, फिर जाते हैं, फिर बैठते हैं, फिर 1 घंटे बाद आते हैं।
Each cup of chai created not just conversations but also camaraderie. But what happened to Mukherjee Nagar? Is it really no longer the go-to place for IAS aspirants?
अभी जो देखा जाए तो यहाँ की संस्कृति में कमी आई है। बच्चों की चहल पहल भी कम हो गई है। जो बच्चे नए आ रहे हैं वो दूसरे जगह शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि उस हिसाब की बिल्डिंग नहीं है। जो माननीय न्यायालय का फैसला है कि आप इसी हिसाब की बिल्डिंग में कोचिंग चला सकते हैं।
कोचिंग सेंटर बंद नहीं हो सकते, कभी रेल कभी बंद हुई है, रेल दुर्घटना होती है, कभी फ्लाइट कभी बंद हुई है, जीवन कभी खत्म नहीं होता है, जीवन को जीने की शैली है ये।
On July 27, 2024, a routine day turned into a tragedy in Delhi's old Rajendra Nagar, not very far from here. It is what they used to call the Mecca for UPSC aspirants. Heavy rains flooded the basement of Rao's IAS Study Circle, a popular coaching institute. This basement was not just a space for classes, it doubled as a library, a quiet refuge for students burning the midnight oil. But that day, it became a death trap. In a matter of minutes, water gushed in, turning the room into a pool of panic and chaos. Furniture floated, students scrambled, and 3 young lives were lost. Shreya Yadav from Uttar Pradesh, Tanya Soni from Telangana, and Naveen Dolwin from Kerala. They did not drown just because of the rain. They drowned in a system that ignored basic safety standards. No alarms, no emergency exits, just negligence. The outrage was immediate. Protests erupted with students demanding accountability. Parents were left devastated and the city woke up to a harsh reality. The very spaces meant to nurture future leaders were built like ticking time bombs. The Municipal Corporation of Delhi swung into action, but only after lives were lost. Inspections began and the cracks in the system became glaringly obvious. This tragedy sent shockwaves to Mukherjee Nagar, Delhi's other coaching hub. The MCD started sealing coaching institutes that failed to meet fire safety and building regulations. Over 60 coaching centers were shut down and hundreds more were slapped with notices. For students, this was another blow. Their already grueling schedules now had the added burden of uncertainty. Where would they study? Was their safety being prioritized, or was this just a performance to calm public anger? Protests followed, students took to the streets demanding that coaching centres take responsibility, that authorities enforce safety norms without delay. The tragedy of old Rajendra Nagar became a rallying cry for a systemic overhaul. Today, the coaching industry in Delhi is at a crossroads. Institutes are scrambling to meet fire safety standards, but the larger question lingers. Why does it always take a disaster to wake us up? Why were these centres operating without basic precautions in the first place? This isn't just about one flooded basement in Old Rajendra Nagar or here in Mukherjee Nagar. It's about the cost of negligence, the price of apathy and the value of young lives. Old Rajendra Nagar paid the ultimate price. Mukherjee Nagar is now under scrutiny.
गाँवों में तो सारी चीज़ें होती नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे सारी की बुक्स वगैरह सही मिल जाती है, कोचिंग भी है.
But the question we must all ask is this: how many more lives must be lost before safety becomes non-negotiable?
जैसे एमसीडी ने एक्शन लिया है उसके बाद तो यहाँ बिल्कुल माहौल ऐसा हो गया कि जितना भी यहाँ काम धंधा लोगों का था सब बंद हो गया है, जो आधे से ज़्यादा ऑफिस एमसीडी ने सील ही कर दिए हैं यहाँ पे.
As things stand now, the crowded tea stalls, noisy student hostels and lively debates may slowly turn into memories. Will Mukherjee Nagar lose its glory days as the hub of IS aspirants? We will know soon.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.